All right, so just a little update on my funded account. Pretty good trading in June. You can see one little down day there, break-even day in the middle of June, and then besides that, it was all green. July, first couple of weeks, green as well. Tuesday, I lost the account. Tuesday this week, got into a bit of a bad position with the account, but I also took a fair bit more risk just because I've taken a few payouts. I've taken 3 payouts across this 4-week period with Lucid, so I expect they're probably going to push me to live soon. So I've started to increase the risk to take a large balance across if they do push me live. But I lost the account, which is fine. I reset it, and then I got the funding back on Friday. So traded Wednesday, Thursday on the SIM account, got the funding back on Friday. So I'll start next week again with a funded account, and then I'll see if I can take some more payouts. I suspect they're going to probably push me to live pretty soon. If we look at the payouts, I've taken quite a few payouts with them this year so far. I took a few months off, and then obviously the last 3 weeks, June 22nd, 29th, and then July 7th, I've taken around 7,500 AUD in payouts, so 3 payouts in around 3 weeks, 7.5 grand, which is great off one evaluation, so I'm pretty happy with that. But I suspect if I take another 1 or 2 payouts with them, they're probably going to push me to a pro live account, which is fine. I'll do that. But I'm also looking to probably set up some other evaluations, maybe with Top Step, or I'm just going to do some research on some other prop firms, because I'd like to have some more SIM funded accounts in the background, because the live process does take a few weeks from my understanding to get set up. So I don't really want to not be trading for 2 or 3 weeks. Not that it matters, but it's just better if I've got other options in the background as well. But all in all, after February, March, April, I really took about 2.5 months off trading after the sort of strong start to the year, did other things, just took a break from it. I went pretty hard at the start of the year. So yeah, pretty happy with that. I think in general, the S&P is just winding up in a tight range at the moment. We can see just with the conflict that's going on at the moment, I think the market's just pausing and waiting to see some sort of resolution before we continue moving up or moving down, whatever's going to happen. So I've just been trading this range essentially the last month or so. That we've been forming this tight wedge. We did break out to the downside on Friday after the AI stock sell-off. So we'll see if that continues next week. I wouldn't be surprised if we wind back up into this range and we continue to range before picking a solid direction. But we'll see what happens. I'll just continue to trade whatever I see. And yeah, all going pretty well.